Well, after 90 minutes of football action, match day 21 Ghana Premier League, Kotoko suffer a shocking defeat at Baba Yara Sports Stadium. 3-2, and a game and the Kumasi Asante Kotoko press but for 2 goals no came from Kalu Atara and Bernard Somwa and Branty on the screen is your friend Blessing Asuman when the ball 2 goals Accra Lions and Amponsan and so Eddie Bako can home and 3 for Accra Lions in the game you Puati say over back now obeda Ghana Premier League nibino Ankoya mano Kotoko defensive errors midfield setup to play ni nyina no na down squad Kotoko start here in that screen so quickly my fam Moise Puati, Justice Blay, Eric Zeze, Stephen Mukwala, Henry Ansukalu Watara, Richmond Lamte, Nuruddin Mohammed, Emmanuel Kote, John Tereku, Rocky Jamana free game num, John Tereku free, Emmanuel Kote free, yes, Baba Yara baye, Samoa baye, yes, and Nicholas Benson and so a baye. But Nina and Tentam at the end of the day, Kotoko lose by 3-2 in the first half, 11th minute, and Blessing a Suma ball goal, no, and 11th minute, 21st minute, Kalu Watara ete Kanoma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So first half, they call 1-1. After the first half, second half, and a same player Blessing a Suman ete key lead, for Accra Lions, Bium. Yes, we take lead, with Accra Lions, but Manchibia and almost Sade Bako can home in the 67th minute. Amponsa a share a manikoye 3-1, so lead Nekoye 3-1. Na Kotoko intimate around 86 minutes and a Bernard Somwa a try and now go back for Kumasi Asante Kotoko Manebe 3-2 game no ND 3-2 be me and Shibino. I mean a game no Obeka say Kumasi Asante Kotoko were very disappointing, to be very honest. And you say Makoma awo Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Amedia Kuma Kasa, but Kotoko ball no sebi and yet try and error no adulso. Ya bomb match the 21 still it appears say Ogum try and error. If you say ne or the Poitiers beda pool no ye day and ne or ball Emmanuel Kote or say uniform Emma Pitami Dubai. And a game in the 15 minutes and two friends saying floor light stadium will do me about buy and only until we that's no. And Emmanuel Kote or the buy and one man more natural too no still no use Justice Blay right back when Emmanuel no more of offensive type but still now try and error now maybe they may observe and Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no a massive boost. Football players nebo but coach and a ready mo nkoye amount for stadium or no for sacking in the move, but I think it's too early. Defeat is part of the game. Justice Blake has a Kotoko and caught without 3 wins, but Kotoko are caught without 3 wins, unfortunately.